In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a custom domain in InfinityFree. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your InfinityFree dashboard, you want to click on Hosting Accounts up top, and then you want to select the account where you want to basically add or use your custom domain. So I'm going to click on this first one of the accounts I have. And then in here, all you have to do is here on the left-hand side, you can see a bunch of different things. And then you want to go to the Home tab, which is, of course, the default one. And here it says Domains. You want to click on Add Domain. And this will take you to a separate page here in just a few seconds. There we go. It says which type of domain you'd like to add, and here you want to click on Custom Domain and then Add Custom Domain. When you do this here, you can put in your custom domain name. So of course, just type in whatever your domain is, and then here you also have to select your directory. So it's up to you whichever one you select according to your own personal needs, and then click on Verify Domain. If everything is fine, you'll then be able to use it and connect it over here on InfinityFree. So that's how we do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.